First off, I want to say welcome all new members into the Shifting Gears community. I started this back in January when I wanted to get off Facebook and not have a place where people scammed you. So I hope you feel safe with me. My community has changed over the past several months. First, I started with training people how to do video editing skills. But the most important thing that came to my vision was mindset. When I was kicked out of the DGC community for helping people in Canada to upgrade their Legacy Builders program, I got booted out because I charged a lesser rate than what the DGC community was doing. I didn't think there was an error in it. I was only thinking about what they had to pay compared to USA citizens had to pay. But with that happening, my road started to grow and my focus began to change. It's all about the mindset. Because when I lost out of DGC, I was heartbroken. I was set on a program that I thought was going to make me tons of money. That is not the case. With having the right mindset, you can do anything and become unstoppable. I have found that posting every day a motivational tip or quote or saying helps not only me, but I hope it brings value to you. I like to take the time to let you know if you're struggling with mindset and need that kind of help, please reach out and ask because I'm here to help you change it. Back again, when I started, I was an employee. I wasn't the CEO of my own business. I had to grow into who I am today. The person I was that I left back in January 2024 is not that person anymore. I used to be jealous of people winning and succeeding. Now I'm just happy to see them grow and succeed and win and hopefully share some tips with me along the way. So, I just wanted to welcome you into the community, let you know who I am. Oh, I'm Laura Stokes. Sorry. I have two other partners in the community, actually three. I have Tracy, I have Stephanie, and I have Chris. You are welcome to reach out to all of us as we want to all see you succeed. Because in the end, shift happens and we want to make it count every day. I hope you have a fabulous Monday.